Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a dark chocolate cupcake. It is so simple to use, to make, and it has one new ingredient which makes it so fluffy and moist. So I've made them right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Here they are. Lovely dark chocolate, and let me break one open and show you what it looks like from the inside. Look at that, moist, soft, and here's my taste test. You're never going to need another cupcake or muffin recipe after this one. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with half a cup of almond flour. In that goes. Now we have dark cocoa powder unsweetened, 3 tablespoons of that. Now we are putting in the new ingredient, oat fibre. Please don't use oatmeal or oat bran. It's very powdery, and that's 2 tablespoons of oat fibre into it. Half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and give it all a good mix in your mixing bowl. Next, I'm using refined coconut oil, which has no taste, but you can also use normal coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of heaped melting butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. Give this all a good mix and we are ready to put it into our molds. Oh, hello, I forgot the sweetener. So that's 5 tablespoons of a sweetener. Add that too. And we are ready to put this all together. Here's the consistency. I'm making it in the air fryer and it'll go in at 180 degrees centigrade for just about 11 to 13 minutes. Fill them up to 3/4 and they will pop up quite a bit. Also in the oven at the same temperature, maybe a minute or 2 more. And so here they are out of the air fryer, and I'm going to pop them out on the plate and they're ready. Dark chocolate cupcakes. So yummalicious, so amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye then.